Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. Today, we're exploring front yard garden ideas to inspire your next garden renovation. From modern elegance to rustic charm and drought-tolerant designs, we've got something for everyone. So let's get started. But first, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips and ideas. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you for sticking with us. The Rustic Charm Gardens. Let's start with rustic charm. This style is perfect for creating a warm, nostalgic vibe. Imagine wildflowers lining a gravel pathway, wooden barrels overflowing with vibrant blooms, and a charming log bench under a shady tree. The beauty of a rustic garden lies in its imperfections. Each element tells a story. Add a trellis covered in climbing roses, lanterns for soft glow, or a birdhouse to invite local wildlife. Choose plants like black-eyed Susans, daisies, lavender, and ornamental grasses to enhance the natural look. Rustic gardens are ideal for those who love a cozy, welcoming atmosphere that feels timeless and personal. Modern Elegance Gardens. For a polished contemporary look, Modern Elegance is the way to go. Picture clean lines, symmetrical plant arrangements, and geometric planters creating a structured yet inviting space. Add sophistication with subtle lighting to highlight key features at night. And use materials like stone or metal for a sleek finish. Ornamental grasses like fountain grass, succulents like agave, and boxwood shrubs work beautifully in this style. Accentuate with white hydrangeas for a touch of softness. Modern elegance blends functionality with beauty, making it ideal for homeowners who value simplicity and refinement. Drought-tolerant gardens. In areas where water is scarce, drought-tolerant gardens offer a practical yet stunning solution. Thick succulents like cacti arranged in layered groupings accented with gravel pathways and decorative boulders. Include features like a wooden pergola for shade or a planter filled with lavender and yucca for added interest. Succulents like aloe vera and jade plants, prickly pear, cacti, and lavender are perfect choices. These gardens prove that sustainability can be both practical and visually striking, blending seamlessly into arid landscapes. Eco-friendly gardens. For those who prioritize sustainability, eco-friendly gardens are a fantastic choice. These gardens are designed to support local ecosystems while looking beautiful. Use native plants and wildflowers to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Incorporate features like rainwater harvesting, barrels, or composting areas. Pollinator-friendly options include milkweed, bee balm, and sunflowers, alongside herbs like thyme and mint. Eco-friendly gardens demonstrate that commitment to the environment doesn't mean compromising on aesthetics. Countryside-inspired gardens. Bring the charm of the countryside to your doorstep with countryside-inspired gardens. Picture sweeping flower beds filled with vibrant peonies, foxgloves, and hydrangeas, with a cozy wooden bench under a sprawling tree. Use natural stone pathways to guide visitors through the garden. And frame your home with lush greenery. Include classic favorites like hollyhock, fruit trees such as apple or pear, and fragrant flowers for a multi-sensory experience. This style offers a tranquil retreat that feels like an extension of nature itself. Tropical gardens. Create your own paradise with tropical gardens. These spaces are defined by bold greenery and vibrant flowers, offering a true escape from the everyday. Incorporate water features like fountains or small ponds for added tranquility. Bamboo accents and wooden trellises can enhance the tropical aesthetic. Use banana plants, birds of paradise, hibiscus, and bromeliads to achieve that lush tropical vibe. This is perfect for warm climates. Tropical gardens transport you to an exotic haven right outside your home. Minimal maintenance gardens. For those with a packed schedule, minimal maintenance gardens provide a stunning yet easy to manage solution. Hardy plants like sedum, hostas, and creeping thyme thrive with minimal attention. Ground covers and mulch help suppress weeds and retain moisture, while decorative stones add texture and style. Daylilies, junipers, and low-growing ground covers make great additions. This style is perfect for gardeners who want beautiful spaces without the constant upkeep. From rustic charm to tropical spaces, frontier gardens offer endless opportunities to express your style and enhance your home's curb appeal. Which garden style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.